Alright, so I'm probably just going to start spamming these videos to make up for a month-long silence. Sorry about that, by the way. Just didn't really enjoy making the previous video, so like... I don't know, I just wasn't really feeling that one. Or not the previous, I just released another one, hold on, the room reviews. Took a long time to edit, but now video uploads should go back to normal. I'm just going to do this quick room for my region. So basically this is a container yard on the side of the ocean, you know. There's a room to the left and to the right of it, so, and also below it. I'm so good with words right now. Let's actually copy this. If you press Ctrl E in range, you can actually select an area and copy paste it. A lot of people mention that in videos, which is weird because it's really useful. And just like placing the spots for trash. Let me fill those in real quick. It's not really going to be visible, but it's just all that counts. There's actually background variants for these containers, which place them in varying depths. Quests won't there were more, but okay, so now we have the issue of layer 2 not having anything, so let's add something over here. Yeah, like that. This is actually a custom tile that I made. It's nothing special, to be honest. Just I need a 3x3 machine that's flat-ish. Oh wait, there's actually no trash on layer 1 here, let me fix that. These are another custom tile that I made specifically for this mod. These are actually already public in my asset repository. Might link that in the description, I don't know. I'm trying to talk as much as I can, but the process for making rooms like these is pretty simple. I can't really like say anything too important, helpful. I don't know. I don't know how to say it. Alright, while the crawl holes are done, now I'm just gonna put the pipes here, because I like putting pipes behind these shortcut entrances. Actually, let's do Dyson fans over here. And now, no, I just fill this with large trash. And this will be relieved concrete. It's a neat custom material that I like to use sometimes. These rooms are pretty simple in nature, to be honest. Not really anything too special, they're just big containers. Arguably the hardest part about making rooms like these is making the containers have different colors. That's only hard because it takes a lot of time to place the decals down. So arguably this is probably one of the easiest room types to make. I say as I just realized I forgot to actually make it traversable. I'm going to put slime and then fix that it real quick. So as you can see over here, I completely forgot to put these poles down, and now the room should be traversable, so crisis averted. Ramos is pretty nice. It gives the room a more overgrown feel. Right, now I just have to place the camera angles. I usually put them in the corners like this because I don't know, it's just what I'm used to. Now let's do the light map. I'm going to do these big blocks and then cut the light off over here and over here. Let me just put some shadows on the layer 1 places. Yeah, let's add some more props. Ah, it works out perfectly. Well, that doesn't. Well, no, not really. I need to put some more machines on the edge. If you place down these large chains, try to make them connect to something that's in the level, like this. And now we can render. Layer 3 might be a little bit flat, but we'll see in game. I think this will turn out pretty good. Alright, so oh yep. Yeah, that fixed it. Alright, I just have to remember to turn that back on. It would be really funny if I just like leave the threat volume down so that you have no way of telling that guy is here. Do have to say, placing down these decals is pretty fun. Just adds so much more texture to the room. Let me check something. Oh right, I forgot to adjust the palette. That's wonderful. It looks nearly the exact same though, so like... Alright, so that's it for layer 1's decals. I did not know this is going to be this popular of an area for the wildlife. Alright, so that's it for the decals. Now I just have to do the sound. Alright, and that should be it. I'm gonna restart just in case anything needs to be updated. Yep, so this is the room. I think it turned out pretty well. I don't really have much to say about it. I forgot one decal. There we go. Alright, so this is now the final result. I think it turned out well. Okay, that was scary. And the game agrees with me. Okay, and now I'm dead. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Like, comment, subscribe. I guess wait for the next video. I don't know. Join the Discord server. I don't have much more to say. Bye bye.